Dialogue 1. Business trip with the boss.
I hate this trip.
Why? It's a great opportunity.
I don't like the boss.
He's not that bad.
He's always criticizing me.
He just wants you to improve.
He makes me feel nervous.
Don't worry. You're doing fine.
He expects too much from me.
He knows you have potential.
He never praises me.
He does, in his own way.
He's hard to talk to.
He's just busy and focused.
He's intimidating and arrogant.
He's confident and experienced.
How do I impress him?
Just be yourself. You're awesome.
Dialogue 2. Traveling with the boss.
I'm nervous about the trip.
Why are you nervous?
I have to go with my boss.
So? He's a nice guy.
But he's very demanding.
He just wants you to do well.
What if I mess up?
You won't mess up. Relax.
How can I relax?
Just be yourself. Be confident.
Confidence is not my strength.
You have many strengths, John.
Like what?
You're smart, hardworking, and loyal.
Thanks, Steve. You're very kind.
You're welcome, John. Good luck.
Dialogue 3. Annoying habit.
Ron's tapping is driving me crazy.
Why don't you tell him then?
I don't want to be rude.
It's not rude to ask nicely.
But what if he gets offended?
He won't if you explain yourself.
Explain what? That I hate noise?
No, that you find it distracting.
He might think I'm too sensitive.
He might understand your point of view.
How do I even start talking?
Just say, "Hey, Ron, can I?"
Can I what? Stop making noise?
No, something like, "Can you please?"
Please what? Stop tapping your nails?
Yes, or, "Please use a fidget."
A fidget? What's that supposed to mean?
A fidget is a small toy.
Dialogue 4. Moving to a new desk.
I can't stand David's singing.
What do you mean?
He sings all day long.
So what? He's happy.
It's weird, distracting, and rude.
Have you talked to him?
Yes, I have. He still sings.
Maybe he doesn't realize it.
He does? He just doesn't care.
Well, that's unfortunate.
I want to change my desk.
Where do you want to go?
Anywhere away from David.
There's an empty desk over there.
On the other side of the office?
Yes, that one. Do you like it?
I do. How can I get it?
You need to talk to your manager.
Do you think he will agree?
I don't see why not.
What if he likes David's singing?
Then you have a bigger problem.
Dialogue 5. Transferring a call.
Hello, this is John speaking.
Where's my order, John?
I'm sorry for the delay, sir.
Sorry is not enough, John.
We are working on it, sir.
I don't believe you, John.
Please calm down, sir.
I want to speak to your manager.
Okay, sir. One moment, please.
Hello, This is Nancy, the manager.
Finally, someone who can help me.
What seems to be the problem, sir?
My order was not delivered, Nancy.
I apologize for the inconvenience, sir.
How will you fix this, Nancy?
I will check the status of your order and get back to you as soon as possible.
Dialogue 6. Dealing with an angry customer.
Hello, welcome to our store.
I want a refund.
What is the problem?
This product is broken.
When did you buy it?
Over a year ago.
Do you have a receipt?
No, I don't.
Do you have a warranty?
No, I don't.
I'm sorry, but we can't refund you.
Why not? It's your fault.
No, it's not. It's normal wear and tear.
That's not fair. I want to speak to your manager.
Okay, please hold on. Sir, there's a customer who wants a refund.
What's the issue?
He bought a product over a year ago, but it's broken. He doesn't have a receipt or a warranty. He refuses to contact the manufacturer.
I see. Let me talk to him.
Thank you, sir. I'll transfer the call to you.
Dialogue 7. Nerves.
Hi, Nancy. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm nervous. Very nervous.
Why are you nervous?
Because of the presentation. It's tomorrow.
Oh, I see. Don't worry.
But my English is bad. Very bad.
No, it's not. You're doing great.
Thank you, Nancy. You're kind.
Did you practice your presentation?
Yes, I did. But not enough.
Do you want to practice more?
Yes, please. Can you help me?
Of course, I can. Let's practice.
Okay, thank you. You're the best.
Dialogue 8. Helping with a presentation.
Hi, Nancy. Can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
I have a presentation tomorrow.
What is it about?
It's about the financial statement.
That sounds interesting.
But I'm not good at counting.
Don't worry, I can help you.
Really? Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Let's go to the conference room.
Okay, let me get my laptop.
I'll listen to your presentation and correct your worksheet.
That would be very helpful.
You have nothing to fear.
I'm still very nervous.
You will be fine. Trust me.
Dialogue 9. A nervous wreck.
I'm so nervous, Jim.
Why are you nervous?
I have to present to the CEO.
That's a big opportunity, John.
But what if I mess up?
You won't mess up
How do you know that?
because you are prepared.
I don't feel prepared,
You have done your research.
but I'm not good at speaking.
You can practice your presentation.
Do you think that will help?
It will boost your confidence.
I need more confidence.
You have the skills.
Thank you for your support.
Dialogue 10. CEO attending the presentation.
Did you hear the news?
What news?
The CEO is coming to the presentation.
What? Really?
Yes, really. She confirmed it today.
Oh no. That's not good.
Why not? It's a great opportunity.
I'm giving the presentation. I'm nervous.
You'll be fine. You're well prepared.
But I heard she is very picky.
She is. But she is also fair.
What if she doesn't like my presentation?
She will. You have done a good job.
Can you help me practice?
Sure. I can listen to your presentation.
Thank you. Let's start now.